This hacker company reached out to me and they said to me, would you be interested in doing a review of our Snowflake 18-in-1 tool? And I didn't know what that was at the time. So they sent me a link to check the information on this 18-in-1. And I said, sure, I'll try it out. So they sent me two free ones here, a silver one and a black one. And we're going to take a look at these 18-in-1, what they call the Snowflake tool here. Take a look at these today. Kind of unique. They got some weight to them, like 2.3 ounces. That's a good weight to them. They're not flimsy. They're solid. And they've got some weight to them. Take a look at these today. So the Snowflake tool does come with a ring. You can attach the hole in the top of the tool here. You can attach the ring. Hang it up on the Christmas tree as an ornament, or hang it on your keychain, whatever you want to do. So like I said before, they got some weight to them. And the thing about it, these are not, it's not aluminum. So this is magnetic here. So they're not aluminum. So they're good quality products here. So I drew a picture of the 18-in-1 Snowflake tool. Let's start at the top. Number 3 Phillips. We got a box cutter, a flathead, 3mm hex, 4mm hex, 5mm hex, 6mm hex. We've got 8mm hex, 9mm hex. And then the inside we have a bottle opener, a twine knife. You got 13mm, 11mm, 10mm, 9mm, 8mm. And in the center we have 1/2 inch and 9/16. So that's 18 tools. We'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We'll take a look at some of the features today. So we'll try the inside one, 1/2 inch. The outside is 9/16. So you can see it there. Yeah, you can see it. 1/2 inch and 9/16 is the outside one here. It's a 1/2 inch bolt here. There you go. We'll try out the 9/16. That's the inner one inside here. It's the 9/16, not here. Fits in there nice. There you go. This is your bottle opener. So we'll try the flathead screwdriver. This is from my wire mold demonstration prop from it. Use a flathead screwdriver here. Take the plate off. And we're going to also use the Phillips screwdriver. They say this is a number 3 Phillips screwdriver here. This particular outlet has Phillips screw. Bring it back up. The plate back on. Use the flathead again to tighten it. So it works pretty good. If you're stuck for a screwdriver and you have this in your pocket, you can use this 18-in-1 tool. It's what they call the flathead screwdriver or the box cutter. So cutting your boxes here. I like the box cutter. It doesn't cut it deep, so it'll just cut what it needs to cut there and doesn't damage what's inside your package. Use a box cutter too for plastic at the top of your cans of pop here. Always in a plastic container. Always try to rip with my fingers, get them open here. Makes it easier to take them apart. This is what they call the tying knife. See, it's beveled here a bit. So it'll cut your string in your packages here. On the Sacker website, it says it's number 3 Phillips on their 18-in-1. And you can see here that doesn't look like a number 3. Here's the number 3 Phillips on the WEHA lineup. Quite a bit bigger. And here's the Mega Pro number 3 lineup. So they claim it's a number 3, but I think it's more like a number 2 Phillips. So this is a timer, has a light in it. So we shut it off here. Now if you wanted to change the battery on this, there's a battery compartment. And save for toys too. So this is too big for that small little screw there. It's a number 3 Phillips, and it's just too big for that to change the battery. So if you got toys, or you got a battery like this, you won't be able to open up this compartment because the Phillips is too big. It's number 3 Phillips. You'll probably take a number 1 Phillips to open this up. So these are durable. I like the weight of them. They're durable. And actually doing the video, I dropped this one I think twice. And one time it hit the floor. And in the next clip you'll see it falling on my hand. But it doesn't break when you drop them. So it's good quality here. Like I said, so I do dealer trades for Dodge, Nissan, Subaru, Ford, and they all seem to have different bolts when they're holding the plate on the car, the dealer plate on the car. All kinds of different bolts. So the screw in here, threaded bolt here, all different ones. So when I go to pick these cars up, having this screw 18-in-1 tool, make sure I'll have the right tool, whatever screw is holding those dealer plates on. Very handy tool to have. I can use that. I can use the flathead. Same with this. I can use this, or I can use the Phillips. Tighten it on. Very handy tool to have when you're doing dealer trades. This is my coffee table, and I have a lot of screws that hold this together. And you have this 18-in-1 tool here. Like I've mentioned before, the weight of these 18-in-1 Snowflakes, the good weight, solid make. And but there's a few videos on YouTube where they actually took the Snowflake tool here and broke the glass on inside their car. So it'd be a handy thing to have if you ever get trapped inside your car. Just break the window with this if you're trapped inside. I thank Sacker for sending me the two 18-in-1 Snowflake tools here. Very handy tool to have. Be a nice stocking stuffer for Christmas. Handy tool. They're solid. Made very well. And we've covered quite a few of the 18-in-1 tools today. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. If you watch this for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great day, people.